See the pointy nose on it? Is it okay for me to record with your voice in the background? That may be a copperhead though. Yikes. Hold on a second. I want to kind of get up closer to it. You seeing anything else around here? I think that's a copperhead. Hold on a minute. Checking my feet and everything now. Yeah, the back. Yeah, oh man. The head on that. Oh wow. Mosquitoes are getting me. I think that is a copperhead, mate. This is Arkabutla 2-mile walk on May the 13th, 2021. We're going to leave this be.